Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Vercel account. Whether you're deploying web applications or working on development projects, having a Vercel account will streamline your workflow and make hosting incredibly simple. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to vercel.com. This is the official homepage where you'll begin the account creation process. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice various features and options displayed on the homepage. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to start creating your account. This action will take you to the account setup page where you'll make some important initial choices about your account type. Next, you'll need to choose your plan type. Vercel offers different plans to suit various needs, such as the Pro plan for professional projects or the Hobby plan for personal use and experimentation. Select the option that best fits your intended usage. This choice determines the features and resources available to you, so consider what you'll be using Vercel for before making your selection. After selecting your plan, you'll see a text field prompting you to enter your name. Go ahead and type your name into this field, then click the Continue button. This personalizes your account and helps Vercel provide a more tailored experience. At this point, you have several options for how you want to proceed with the sign-up process. If you prefer, you can continue with Google, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Apple. These options allow you to link your existing accounts, making the sign-up faster and enabling easier integration with your development workflow. Choose whichever platform you're most comfortable with or already use regularly. Alternatively, if you'd rather not connect through one of those services, you can click on Continue with Email. This option lets you create your account using just an email address without linking to any third-party platforms. It's a straightforward choice if you prefer to keep your accounts separate. If you've chosen the email option, you'll now see a text field asking for your work email address. Type your email carefully into this field, making sure there are no typos, as this will be your primary contact method for your Vercel account. After submitting your email, Vercel will send you a verification code. Check your inbox for this code and enter it when prompted. Once you've entered the verification code correctly, the system will verify your identity and automatically redirect you to your Vercel dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your projects, deployments, and account settings moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully created your Vercel account and you're ready to start deploying. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.